you did sometimes, seeing eyes of mine. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, we're doing wrong, wrong, wrong.
Hi friends, my name is Vinay. I'm Dubai Real Estate Advisor. Today here I am at District 1. District 1 is known as most luxurious community of Dubai. So District 1 is located next to the downtown, next to the Burj Khalifa. Not only this comes up with the world's biggest crystal lagoon, which is around 7 kilometers. So you can see this water, it's a sweet water. It's a man-made sea, you can say. So you can also see this, there is an artificial beach. Let's go and understand about this community, why it is the most luxurious community of Dubai. Come. So District 1 not only comes with a crystal lagoon, but also they have a 60% of the greenery. So this is the model of District 1. This entire community is known as District 1. So connectivity wise, if I talk about, this is the Al Khail Road. So here you have downtown Business Bay. It's just 5 minutes away from Burj Khalifa, or maximum 10 minutes away. To access this community, you have a Maidan Street. Come here, take a roundabout, U-turn, and you enter into the community. Right now we are standing here. This is the sales center here. If I talk about what is there in this community, you have Crystal Lagoon, which is 7 kilometer long and 14 kilometer of wide beaches. Not only this, District 1 has dedicated their 60% of the land area to the greenery. So this is also a lush green community. So this is a premium community in Dubai, most luxurious community. So here you start from independent villas, 4 bedroom, 5 bedroom, 6 bedroom villantions, and also you have the mansions over here, which goes all the way to 100 millions. They also launched the plots over here for the mansions. So as if now they have delivered this much of the portion. First 2 phases they have already delivered. They have recently launched the new phase. Apart from this villas, they also launched apartments here in District 1. These apartments are facing lagoon. You can see from ground plus 4 goes all the way to ground plus 20 story towers. These are the apartments. Some of the apartments are getting handover by the end of December 2021, and then rest are following them. This is the community clubhouse over here. They also provide the table tennis, basketball, badminton courts. Not only this, they are also providing the water sports activities. Mall coming up over here. This is the world's biggest mall coming up. This is known as Maidan 1 Mall. Not only this, they are also coming up with the world's biggest indoor ski. Right now the world's biggest indoor ski is in Mall of the Emirates, which is 300 meter long. Here they are coming up with 1.2 kilometer long indoor ski. Apart from this, they are also coming up the Winter Garden, water park, and the world's tallest residential tower over here. They are coming up with the world's tallest singing fountain. So they also have a yacht club. You can see the yacht club here. They are also coming up with the canal here. You can see the canal. So lagoon is different, separate. They are also coming up with the canal. This is the same canal which is extending from the Business Bay. So we got a beautiful apartments here. 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom and 4 bedroom. Let's go and check out the show apartments over here. Come. So 1 bedroom apartment over here.
We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll Don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, wrong, wrong. But I'll try to fix it.
So these are 3-bedroom apartment. 2 apartments, 3 bedrooms, comes with a maid's room. Living dining area, kitchen. You have a maid's room here. Let's go and check out the maid's room.
Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert, I can look at you.
This is the best maid room I ever seen in my life. Check out the view from the maid's room.
The hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, wrong, wrong. But I'll fix it, fix it.
It comes with a fully fitted kitchen, microwave, refrigerator, double door. Check out the rooms. It's a powder room over here. This is a bedroom number 1 with attached washroom, lot of wardrobes. It's a kid bedroom. More storage, more wardrobes. So bedroom number 2, again attached washroom. Good size bedroom. This is the bedroom number 3. It's a master bedroom. Check out the washroom over here. Comes with a bathtub and a shower. Check out the size of the room. It's really good. Also, you have a balcony here. Access to the balcony. Which open up to the sea.
Seeing eyes of mine. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, wrong, wrong. But I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, wrong, wrong. But I'll change it, change it. Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert, I can look at you with love.
Trust me guys, I'm in the heart of the city, next to the Burj Khalifa. You can see this house close this downtown to me. So those who have not visited Dubai, I request you to come and visit Dubai and check out this place. This is very well connected to the downtown and Burj Khalifa. As I told you, now you can see this is downtown Dubai skyline view. Just behind me, the villas or the townhouses or the apartments you buy, you get this kind of view. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. For any inquiry regarding Dubai real estate, please contact me. The details is in description. Thank you so much.